money finance. So we're gonna be talking about some stuff. We're gonna be talking about some stuff here, people. Oh, oh, look at. So yes, we have the S&P 500 for you people. That's this chart here. Oh, oh, look at there I am. Oh my God. Test stream action. Here we go. That's good. Let's get this one more manageable. All right. Oh my God. Look at that. That's how easy it is, people. A little test stream action for you. Crypto Corey. I don't know what's going on with him. I know that audio levels are fantastic. Enjoy. So, as you can see, the S&P 500 has been insane. I mean, I've been calling a drop since this bull flag here. And basically, I just figured Iran war, it's going to kick off any day now. Kick back up. Oil prices through the roof again. You see this giant green candle in my face. In my face. Like, sometimes the markets can make you feel like an utter fool. If you've been following Manic Money, you know, basically, it's sometimes, like, you could be trading the markets for decades, and you just have a week, a month, where you feel like the fool. And, like, when it comes time for that, you cut your losses, you be smart about it, and you relax. But that's not manic. That's not manic money. That's not what I do. And this will be the perfect example right here. If anybody's been following the channel, you've seen this paper trading account. Not financial advisor, not financial advice. And this stock in particular, SLS right here. We've been trading this bad boy. I've been trading this bad boy 4 months. If you look at this thing for the past year, it's solid gold, people. It's up 323% the past year. It's basically every single stock that I've given this channel in the past couple years since we started this thing. I mean, look at my market value. It's insane. Insane. Today's return, total return. It's right there for you. And this one I've been in and out of. I have been in and out of this thing left and right. And even just the last week, like, I've been selling calls, selling options. I'll show you the positions on this thing if you know what you're looking at for actual stock collateral, the calls I've sold, the other calls that I bought in order to make sure that I didn't miss out on an insane move. And it's a beautiful thing. I'm obviously not going to go in depth on my stock and options strategy right now because I have been having quite a few adult beverages. crypto. Corey was supposed to jump on at 10 p.m. with me, but I cannot wait, and I'm not gonna just not give you guys the freaking goods. You know what I mean? But basically, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. So here's the other one, SPCB. I bought into this bad boy right down here. I'll even show you. Where does it show? Here we go. Average cost 1051. I mean, dude, 1051. You can't get much better than that. I literally bought right here. Boom. Earnings are tomorrow morning. I'm in this thing my market value is only $1,200. Even if it tanks, I don't care. It's the opportunity. It's a possibility. That's what we're jumping into. And I mean, these guys reported earnings in April for the full year, and now, 1 month later, they're all of a sudden reporting earnings for the first quarter. More electronic monitoring contracts. Oh, what's this? Hedge funds? Oh, hedge funds bought at $9.05. Interesting. Short interest. Ooh, all-time low on the short interest. And if you look at the earnings history, estimated 18 cents a share. What was the last earnings? Look at 22 cents a share, something like that. So if this is anything above 18 cents per share, and that's happening pre-market tomorrow morning. It says today, but it's 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's tomorrow. So yeah, we got SPCB. We got OSRH. I'll show you this one too. This is another beautiful example. Oh, look at this dip right here. This dip in the market after inflation. After inflation data came out on May 12th. I'll show you. What's my average cost? 56 cents. Oh, look at that. I mean, I could have gotten a little bit lower. Could have got in a little bit lower, but not much. Like, pay attention, people. It's a beautiful thing I'm showing you. I mean, granted, I've been doing this for a while, and all three of these stocks are stocks that I've been following for at least a couple months. OSRH, I've been following for a couple months. SLS, I've been following for 6 months. Supercom, I've been following for like 2 to 3 years. So all these stocks are not stocks that I'm unfamiliar with. I know that they're gold. I know that they're gonna print money and make people rich. This is not a day trading or momentum trading strategy. This is more or less swing trading strategy. I mean, I basically with these two stocks, I got lucky. I got in low. We're riding them up, baby. Riding them right up to the top. You know, SLS. It just so happened I was using this stock because of its stability. I was selling options on this stock every week, and it just so happened that my puts exercised last week, so I sold $5 calls. You can probably see them right here. SLS $5 calls. So I'm selling all of this stock at $5 a share. My cost basis is $4.80. So I'm making 20 cents a share, no matter what. And normally when that would happen, your account would basically just break even because this would offset that. This is a negative to that. But me, with, my infinite wisdom, I just decided to buy some out of the money options for the end of the year, knowing that this stock is a moonshot chance, moonshot possibility. And I didn't want to miss out on something like this because I sold calls. and I took that guaranteed income. So that's the only reason why this is still green. Obviously, if I show you the 1 day chart, you're gonna be like, ooh, ooh. But if you look at the 1 a week chart, you're like, oh, okay. This guy probably knows what he's doing. You know, a 1 month chart, it gets even better. Yeah, we had a dip, but it was one night. Look at that, one night. Pew, rocket ship. It's not always a clear 45-degree shot into the future. Just a freaking mountaintop. Sometimes you have rivers, valleys, gullies, ditches, creeks, etc. You get through them, and you make the money on the other side. You just don't stop. I don't want dash pass. Okay, that's good. So, this is basically a test stream. I had to do one, whether or not Crypto Corey jumped on with me. Oh, 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 Twitch. Oh, Twitch, don't do that to me, Twitch. Very good. This is crazy. Magnificent 7 fell 40%. Yeah, it's just this garbage article. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a day trading live stream tomorrow. I do not have to work, so I will make sure that I sign on relatively early to bring you guys the hard hitting news. So because of the pattern day trading restrictions that are still in effect until June 4th at the earliest, I'm only gonna be able to do 1 day trade tomorrow, and I might have to sell all this stuff to do it. But I'm looking to maximize profit tomorrow. Unfortunately, we are already at May 13th. My goal this month was to make 30K because I made 15K last month. We are drastically behind. Dismally. It's not good, people. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow will be the first step in the right direction to making that 30K this month. Only one way to find out. And that's to sign on tomorrow. I mean, I've heard of Shuja, I know what I'm talking about. Three stocks that are making me money. Bought at absolute rock bottom. I don't know what to tell you. It doesn't get any sweeter than that.